Good morning, friends. Today, your focus on 14-4, which is page 823 and 824, focuses on picture graphs. So, today you're going to draw pictures and graphs and use them to solve problems in picture graphs. So, first thing, start with your name. Blow this up a little bit so you can see. It says over here, use the tally chart. Here are the tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 goes across to solve the problem. So, when you're drawing picture graphs, you have to look what the picture is going to be down here. This one says each person is one vote. Each person is one vote. So here it says spring. It says 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you do spring, you have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you have to draw summer and fall and winter over here on your picture graph, using pictures to represent one each. You have to make sure this is one each because sometimes it's 2 each, or 5 each, or 10 each. Now you have to take a look. Once you get all this data plugged in, it says how many students like fall the best. That's number 4. Which season do exactly 4 students like the best? Well, which one has the 4 and say write the season. Remember it says season here, 4. Which seasons do the fewest students like? Fewest means smallest. Again, you're writing a season. Number 7, how many students like the season with the fewest votes? How many has the fewest has? And then number 8, it says which seasons do the most students like? Keywords right there. And number 9, it says how many students like the season with the most votes? Look at the most, write down how many that most has. And again, when you go through this, pause it after each question when I read it and go answer the question or read them yourself. Look at the picture graph above. How would the graph change if 2 students changed their votes from summer to fall? How would it change? How would it change if 2 students change their votes from summer to fall? Describe that. On the back, it says use a tally chart to complete the picture graph. Use the picture graph to solve the problems. So trees in the park. Birch, oak, maple, pine. Each tree is one tree. So birch has 3. Draw some handy dandy trees. I'm just going to draw the tree like this. A Christmas tree with a triangle. I'm not a great artist. Some of you are. This left window you are. And I need 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay. Number 12. Birch, oak, maple, and pine trees are common in North America. Which type of tree is the most common in the park? Which one's the most common? Most common means which one has the most. Most common, which one has the most? Pause it. Answer it. Higher order thinking, it says how many birch and maple trees are there in all? That means birch plus maple in all, plus. And then down at the bottom, draw a picture graph to show the data in the table. You're going to use milkshakes here. No, just juice, milk, juice, or water. So you have to label the names, label the favorite drink title at the top, and then draw your picture graph in here. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. If you have any questions, come see me. This is a pretty short and sweet one.